Oh, now we're gone. Okay, you guys. I just lost a fidget spinner on the ground. It was horrifying, pretty much. So I'm actually looking right here, but it shows me looking like right here. So pretty much. You can't stand back. Okay. Okay. So I lost a fidget. Me and Trin have one. Trin, come on. I lost a fidget spinner. She has one. Mine goes faster than hers.
Not really now.
Oh, really?
Ew.
Oh, really, Trin? I learned to do that like in 8 seconds.
You want to see?
And cool fit.
See? I go faster than yours now. Because I put water on it. Mine's hard to steer.
And
Mine's hard to steer.
okay. See? Switching hands, you guys.
You want to see mine? Hold on.
Who do you guys think? Put down in the comments below whose one is faster. Now you see it, now you don't. I literally lost this in the grass. So I was looking like everywhere for this. Oh god, that tickled my eye. We went to the strawberry festival. That's where we got these babies. Ah! La 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 la. And these are not normal fidget spinners. These are, what are they called? UFO fidget spinners. They are super cool. I was crying, you can tell by my eyes. Is there makeup on my eyes? So, you guys, I don't know what's in my mouth. I guess it's noise. Yeah. What was that mean? So, I decided to spin it close to my eye. It's doing no damage, little Donnie and baby Leah. I'm sorry to say this, but, and you guys, you know how it's impossible to do it with your other hands? No, it's not. Trin's watching some Musical.lys or Lively's.
Shut your mouth. Chloe goes on the internet and watches everything on yours.
I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in big trouble. Because I'm not allowed on Musical.ly. Yeah? Okay.
See you back one. Hey guys, we are back. And we're spinning. So which one did I get?
You didn't get my seal.
Is it white?
Yeah.
Oh dang it, I'll leave it here.
You don't like the kitty? The kitty moose?
No, kitty
This
moose. No.
Wait, let me see it. I want to see. This is the kitty though. See, here's the kitty ears.
That is not a cat.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, I have to see it. If it's a... This one's so adorable.
It's Snort. That's the type of cat.
Snort. No, it isn't. He has horns and cat ears, so it's half cat, half... But I want Freckles. That's the one I want.
What?
Freckles.
I have that.
But I got this beetle, but he will stay here. Hi guys, he will stay here. I am so sorry. But look at this! Aliens! He looks so cute and he has a cute little smile. More cool fidget spinner tricks. Did you see that, you guys? It was still spinning when I threw it in the air. That's like so rare. See? Did you see it's still spinning? Yeah, it still spins when you throw it in the air. I forgot to tell you guys. But it's super rare.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it pretty much is. I just love this fidget spinner. Bye guys.